started studying interior design undergraduate program here at the IED. And then I continue my studies here with Design Management Master. After developing my master project with one pharmaceutical company, I got the offer of taking this challenge of helping a small textile company reinvent a couple of thousands of the towels they had into a new concept. So it was helping me to understand the logistics and marketing and how to actually put all the elements together in order to sell something. When I entered into innovation communities and startup industry, I started to realize that actually all what I learned, I can finally use it and kick it off as my personal project. That was the Sugar Fit. Then I realized that actually dreams come true, but you have to wait a little bit to make it happen. And since then, when I presented this application, I met my future bosses that they said, wow, instead of struggling with one app, why don't you come and work with us and make plenty of apps, and you run the design research and design thinking process for different projects we have with different pharmaceutical companies, and that's how it happened. And I'm working now in customer experience department in 3D printer section as a design researcher in user experience team. My main focus at work is to deeply understand our users' needs. My biggest joy in life is to create meaningful experiences based on real people's needs. The world that we are living now needs people like us, designers.